Hello, welcome to a new class. This is your teacher, Mrs. Erika Costa. We continue working in our science book. We are working in week 4, day 2. Thank you. Thank you for paying attention and working in your books, okay? Please open to page 380. Physical changes. A change to matter can be either physical or chemical. In physical changes, substances keep their identity. No new matter is formed. Active reading. As you read these 2 pages, underline examples of physical changes. A firefighter folds a piece of paper in half. She tears along the fold. Then she cuts out the shape of a truck. 2 physical changes properties have changed. Size and shape. The cutout truck is still paper. The scraps are still paper. In a physical change, the kind of matter stays the same. Folding, tearing, and cutting are all physical changes. So, underline the examples of physical changes. The first is tears. The second one is fold. And the third one is cuts. Very good. And in the last line we have folding, tearing, and cutting. Yes. Now, many objects are made of one or more kinds of matter. A fire hose contains rubber and fabric. Cutting, bending, and shaping these materials to make the hose are all physical changes. Okay? The shapes and sizes of the materials have changed, but they are still the same materials. Inside the hose, look what happened. How is the inside of the hose? Okay? Underline, cutting, bending, and shaping. Cutting, cortando, bending, doblando, and shaping. It's like you are, like when you sacar punta o hacer más, puntudo something, okay? Physical change. Tear the paper. It's like rasgar el papel, okay? Physical change. Cut the paper. Okay, you cut the paper. And another physical change is to fold the paper. You fold the paper. Okay? Now let's work on page 381. Make a change. Draw 2 pictures that show a hose before and after a physical change. Label your pictures to tell how the hose was changing. Okay? First, the hose is normal hose, is working. Okay? Now you have to fold the hose. Look at the different pictures. So the firefighter sponge is torn. The big piece is a sponge. The little piece is also a sponge. The kind of matter stay the same, but a physical change took place. So, is torn. Very good. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay, what is turn? Turn is the past of tear, okay? Tear is rasgar. So, the firefighter sponge is rasgada, okay? Thank you very much for your attention And this is the way to go. I send you hugs, and please stay at home. Don't go outside. Be careful to wash your hands. And please obey your mom and dad. Remember to pray every day. God bless you all. I love you. Bye-bye.